Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use voice recorder in Windows 10 PC. So firstly friends, click on start and type voice recorder. Click on inbuilt voice recorder application. So friends, after opening voice recorder you will see this interface. If you want to record something, so just click on this mic icon. Now try to speak something, it will record your speak. And when you finish your record, click on this stop icon. So friends, you will see this interface and you can check your record by clicking on this play icon. Now try to speak something, it will record your speak. And when you finish your record, click on this stop icon. Now friends, in here you will find some options like you can see its file location. So click on this three dot, click on open file location. So here is your source file, and also you can delete this record by click on this delete icon. You can trim this record like I want to trim this area, and after that click on save. You can update original file and also you can save a copy. I will click on update original. That's it. So friends, by this easy and simple method you can record your voice in Windows 10 PC. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.